Do you have a great video, but only people who speak the same language can watch it? Or maybe you want to expand your content to English, Japanese, Korean, and many other languages without hiring translators or voice actors. In this video, I'll show you the complete workflow for extracting subtitles from a video, translating them into another language, generating AI voiceovers, and exporting a fully dubbed video, all in a single workflow. Now let's take a look at a real example.
Let's get right into why subtitles have become such a non-negotiable part of making your videos actually perform well.
Realmente se reduce a 3 grandes beneficios. Primero, accesibilidad. Abres tu contenido a todos, incluidas las millones de personas que ven videos con el sonido apagado. Segundo, simplemente aumentan el tiempo de visualización porque tu video es más fácil de seguir. Y tercero, y este cambia las reglas del juego, le dan a los motores de búsqueda una transcripción completa de tu video, lo que te ayuda a clasificar mucho más alto.
Next, go to the video to SRT page and upload your video. Okay, for example, I have an English video here, and I'm going to upload it. Okay, once the upload is complete, select the source language. Since this video is in English, I'll choose English. There are 3 modes available. Fast mode is extremely fast. If your video contains multiple languages, it can still detect them correctly. Better mode requires you to select the correct language. For example, if the video is entirely in English, this mode usually provides the best accuracy. The highest mode can also identify different speakers in the video. This allows you to see how many people are speaking and makes it easier to generate multiple voiceovers later. After selecting a mode, click Generate, then just wait a moment. If any errors occur during processing, you can check the history section. After a short wait, you'll see the result here. You can download the generated SRT file, and the system will also display the detected speakers. In this example, there is only one speaker. Then click Copy Full. Next, go to the SRT to speech page to start the translation and dubbing process. Paste the extracted subtitles into the editor. Then paste them here. If you want to translate the subtitles, enable translation and select your target language. For example, the original language is English, and I want to translate it into Spanish. Select Spanish and choose your preferred translation model. I'll use Gemini 2.5 for the best translation quality, then click Translate. After a short wait, the translation will be completed. You can review the translated subtitles and then download the translated SRT file. Here's the translated subtitle file. The next step is selecting a voice. You can choose any voice you like. There are many high-quality voices available. I'll choose a voice for this example. Let's pick a Spanish voice. Spanish, a Spanish voice. If your video contains multiple speakers, you can assign a different voice to each speaker. Once you're done, click Start Conversion. While the conversion is running, you can monitor the progress in the history section. After a short wait, the generated audio will be ready. Next, open CapCut and import your original video. Use the Remove Vocal feature to remove the original speech while keeping the background music. Then download the generated audio file and return to CapCut. I'll also download the translated SRT file. Now import the generated audio into CapCut. Next, import the subtitle file. Then drag it onto the timeline. At this point, the dubbing process is complete. Once you export the project, you'll have a fully dubbed video in a new language. If you don't want to go through all of these steps manually, I've already built a complete automated workflow. Simply upload your videos here. I'll select 2 videos as an example. Choose English as the source language and Spanish as the target language. Then select any Spanish voice you like. I'll use this one. After that, click Generate. The system has now uploaded both videos. You can scroll down to the jobs section to monitor the progress. Both jobs are currently in the pending state. Just wait a moment. You can upload multiple videos at the same time. Upload several videos and let the system process them overnight. The next morning, simply download the results and publish them anywhere you like. Okay. The first video has already finished processing. Now both videos are complete, and I'll open the first one.
Entremos directamente en por qué los subtítulos se han convertido en una parte innegociable de hacer que tus videos funcionen bien. Realmente se reduce a 3 grandes beneficios.
And now, let's take a look at the final result.
Let's get right into why subtitles have become such a non-negotiable part of making your videos actually perform well.
Realmente se reduce a 3 grandes beneficios. Primero, accesibilidad. Abres tu contenido a todos, incluidas las millones de personas que ven videos con el sonido apagado. Segundo, simplemente aumentan el tiempo de visualización porque tu video es más fácil de seguir. Y tercero, y este cambia las reglas del juego, le dan a los motores de búsqueda una transcripción completa de tu video, lo que te ayuda a clasificar mucho más alto.
From a single source video, we've created a fully localized version in another language within just a few minutes. If you create YouTube videos, online courses, podcasts, or social media content, AI translation and dubbing can help you reach more markets without having to record everything again. I'll leave a link to TTS for free in the description so you can try it yourself.